Hi, my name is Nahi Sarwar. I'm a web analytics expert. I provide web analytics and digital marketing services for my client. I love to share my experience about web analytics, digital marketing, and digital skill in this channel. So learn more to subscribe my channel. So let's start our topics today.
In this video, we will learn how to add a Google tag in your website. So this is our Google tag and I set up this tag in my WordPress website. I also see you how to set up your Google tag in your Shopify website. First, I have come to my Google Ads. You click to tool section and when you click data manager. When you click data manager, you can see this is Google tag. So click manage option and you click the admin section here. You can see install the Google tag. Click here. You can install your Google tag using website CMS platform or install manually. We install manually, so we first copy this code, this Google tag code, copy this Google tag code, and first we install the Google tag our WordPress website. So first you come to our WordPress website. We install Google tag WordPress website two way. One using plugin, another is we can paste the code in the website head section. So I teach you two way. So first you have to come to you can see appearance and click the theme file editor. Click here and you can find the theme header. You can see I find out the theme header and you can find out that this head section. This is our head section here, start here and finish here. So we can put the Google Tag Manager code here and upload this file. This is the one way you can put the Google Tag Manager code in your website head section. And if you don't do this, you can another way you can use a plugin. First, I install a plugin. First, you install a plugin name I can see you. And you can install a plugin WP Code Lite. You can see you install this plugin. When you install the plugin, you can find out the code snippet. You can see header and footer. So this I put the code in the head section. So I click the header and put your Google tag code here. This is the another way you can add your Google tag in your WordPress website. If you want to add your Google tag in your Shopify website, so first you come to Shopify website. You can see you can click the online store. Click here. When you click online store, you can come to this page. This is our running current theme. You can see you click the three icon. Click here. You can see the edit code. Click here and you find out the theme.liquid. Click here. When you click here, this page is open. You can see we can put the code in the head section. Our head start here. You can see the head start here and head section finish here. So we put the code under the head section. So we go to the top section of we put the code in under the head section. So we just copy and paste the Google tag code in the head section and save the file. That is the way to put your Google tag code in your Shopify website. I hope this video helpful for you. Just save and exit the file. If you need any kind of help about tracking related services, I working for many clients around Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Facebook Conversion API, server side tracking, and many kind of service I provided. So see you next video. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel.